These past few days, there are lots of photos aired in the public that Dishan has proof about their tandem. Sometimes signs, symbols, and codes are more powerful than words. You should know by now that the meaning of Yu in Chinese is moon, so Shenwei is associated with the moon. Dylan Wang, on the other hand, due to his breakout role as Dao Mingsi with the pineapple hairstyle, the fruit pineapple has been closely associated with him. The photos are really need to no further explanation. Spot the difference on the top left with Song Ye-ren leading lady in Evernight 2 to be shown in 2020. On the top right with So Ye, current leading lady in our Southwest Associated University, which is still filming. On the bottom with Shen Yue, first leading lady in his first TV drama, Meet Your Garden, 2018. Look how they are so very candid when they are together. Didi's latest Weibo update, black and the cat emoji. And look what Shenyue is holding. She is holding a black cat. Due to unforeseen circumstances beyond the control of the organizers, the Cosmo Awards night is scheduled for October 31 was not able to push through. However, we see Shenyue here visiting Shanghai Disneyland instead, and we are very happy to know that she truly enjoyed herself, even attending the Halloween parade and event. You may recall that Didi went to Disneyland a few months ago, wearing a Mickey Mouse cap. On the last three rides you will see Shenhue trying on the Minnie Mouse cap. Shenhue's Weibo update. After few minutes followed by Dilang Wang Weibo update too. Same Disneyland vlogs. Didi went to Disney 5 months ago. This couple doesn't go publicly with their real relationship, but so clever showing it differently that only Disney shippers can understand. Our ship is definitely sailing slow but surely and smoothly. Another coincidence, Shenhue uploaded her Disneyland vlog yesterday, November 8, 2019. Around 20 minutes after, we see Didi's vlog about his Disneyland trip uploaded as well. Take note, Didi was in Disneyland last June but did not post his vlog then. It was only posted yesterday after Shenhue had uploaded hers. Do you see what I see? Didi after the Nova Games was seen holding a new phone case. And if you look closely, it's an image of Donald Duck. Well, guess who was Donald Duck? The other day when she went to Disneyland. Is this a gift from Disney? Pinky swear or pinky promise is the locking of two pinkies to signify that a promise has been made by two people. It was particularly struck by the bottom center photo taken by Shenhue in her last Weibo update. The last two slides gave me the answer. When checkers rule, Shenhue and Dylan Wang are fast becoming fashion icons for the young trendy market. Here, they show you how to own it with the checkered look. Stolen shots or stolen shots? It doesn't really matter to this couple whether or not the camera is focused on them. They still act as naturally as they can. That is themselves. Very natural when they are together. There are several colors that fall under the category of neutral. Some of these are gray, mocha, cream, ivory, and beige. Basically, they are not as attractive as the richer, bolder colors like red, orange, or yellow. But here, you see Didi and Shenwe adding pizzas into a dull color and made it their own. And beige instantly becomes a trend. Isn't this the cutest thing? Dylan Wang is kissing a basket. Dylan Wang and Shenhue wearing red gives you a whole new perspective on the color red. While it is often associated with love, passion, romance, strength, and power, it also signifies vibrance, radiance, and determination. All this should be the characteristics of the Dishan ship for us, true fans to sail in. Are you ready to sail the high seas? The other day when Shenwei wore these earrings for the Algologi brand event, I see you have the same taste, even in your choice of jewelry. They have beat solo couple. Shenwei really loves Dao Ming Look at the pineapple drawing on her shoes.